Good evening everyone, and welcome to another session of folding some origamis. Today, in this session, we're gonna be folding a samurai helmet. I think it will fit color. Maybe, I'm not sure if the ears will fit. He looks weird. It should be something like that, yeah. So, samurai color. So a very simple fold. If you fold it big enough, then you can actually wear it. But I only fold a small one. It's a pretty cool fold. So let's start. First off, we're gonna start with the white side. Sorry for the zoom. Okay, zoom. Okay, I'm gonna start white side. We're gonna fold down, triangle. Alright, and then we're gonna fold this flap down. Fold the other side also. Okay, and then we're going to fold this flap up. From down, and then it's like go back up. Okay, the other side also. Okay, just crimping the edges here so it stays better. Here we're gonna imagine there's a middle line here, so we're gonna fold the front flap here to the middle line, around there. You can just eyeball it. It doesn't have to be accurate. So do it on both sides. Okay, so you can see it's almost parallel. Okay, you're gonna take, there's two flaps at the bottom. You're gonna take the front flap. You're gonna place the point somewhere around the middle. You can put it up a bit. I think it's around here will be quite good. Something like a middle line somewhere. I'm gonna put it maybe around here. It's just the idea is you make a small triangle here, which later you see the shape. Okay, so you fold like a bit there, and then you're gonna fold the rest of the line here, so you can see. Alright, so just to lock that triangle in place. Okay, and then you're gonna fold the bottom half up. Okay, and from there you want to tuck this inside the empty space, so you can open it up a bit and just like slide it in. Okay, and it should lock in place. And just crimping the edges, and there you have it, samurai helmet. Maybe I made the triangle a bit too big compared to here, but well, you can adjust. Yeah, it's a bit too big, but well, you can adjust it later, so up to you. So yeah, very simple, very cool. Because when you think samurai helmets, they always have these ornaments at the forehead area. So when Kalo wears it, it's like to battle, yeah. Wait, zoom. Okay, to battle, yeah. Sorry, hit the mic. So that's it for this session. The next session we will do, what will we do next? Hold on, let me check. We will do a fish. Well, for me, I thought it was a whale, but according to them it's a fish. So yeah, that will be in the next session. So thank you for watching. Have a good night, good day. Bye bye. Bye bye.